Yo guys, I'm HP. This is Dr. Pink. Today we talk about Neo Soul Guitar Series 2, a funky conga beat. This is what's gonna sound. It's really nice. Please subscribe to my channel. Join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. And so on. Yo, I'm gonna show you the chords. I'm gonna show you the simple chords, the chord solo. You can split it up, and you can also do the full version. And also a little bit of melodic souling over this track. So it's gonna be really fun and really neo soul. Let's get in the color orange. Let's get started. I personally recommend finger picking when it comes to neo soul guitar, because you have a softer approach to the sound and also to the strings, but you can also play the whole thing with a pick. It's no problem. I'm probably going to show you both versions. So the progression is quite simple. We have B minor 7, which would be this chord here, 7th fret, A string damped. That one is simple. The next one is a bit a task. That's A sus 9. It goes like this. So let's play like this: 5, 4, 3, pink in the 5th. And if you can, I know not everybody can, you put the thumb here on the low E string, also in the 5th fret. If that is not possible, you just don't do it. Together with the bass, you still have the same effect, or in this case you could also use the open A string. But you know, this is really a nice chord which you can use often. Probably you learn the version with the thumb, because then you can also use it in different keys. So we have this chord here. The next is a regular G major 7, 3rd fret, 4, 4, 3, and F sharp flat 13. Bar in the 2nd, middle finger in the 3rd, ring finger in the 3rd here on the B string. So first of all, you can just play these chords of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Already sound quite nice. Let's do it with the track. It's really nice. One, two. It's really nice. When you play chords, like, there's a trick where you can make them sound more smooth. Did you hear that? You create a kind of a natural chorus effect. You play the chord and you press against the body of the guitar and pull away. Pull away the fretboard. This creates this chorus type effect. See? So you don't need any chorus, you can create it this way. It's really nice. Good. Now we want to add or do the chord solo with the hammer-on pull-offs, and this would be the chord solo on the B. You can do it like this, just index finger in the 7th, hammer on the high E string from 7 to 9, and here from 10 to 7. And the rhythm is 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then we go to this complicated one. Here, if you just want to do the chord solo, you can skip the bass, you don't need it, you just make the melody is like this. But first you play the chord, and then you make a little lead ring. And now comes the upper part of the G major. We're using this G major chord. The G major chord as a foundation for a little arpeggio. So we just play it. It lies really nice, and you can make a nice lead ring. And we make a hammer on here from the 2nd to the 5th fret, from the 7 to the 9. And then we use the upper part of the F sharp 7 flat 13. So let's do this with a track. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now if you want to do the full Monty, if you want to call it that way, now you play the whole thing. Now you keep position 1, 2. Then you would do the B flat minor with the index finger. And then you hold it and hold it while you play the additional. Also here, out of the chord you play the melody. And here you first the chord, and then the upper part has nothing new. And here, let's do this now. Or you can do on the second part, we didn't play the chord at once. We play 1, 2, 1, 2. This gives you, this way, this gives you a little bit more time to build up the chords. So 1, 2, 1, 2. That's really nice. Now, if you want to add some little solo lines, you can also do that. You take these figures as bases, and then you just play around here. Just play it out of your guts. I don't give further explanations. Just as an ad, you can also do stuff like that. Oh, let's get to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. guys, that was the Neo Soul Guitar Series 2. I'm really glad this genre exists. I'm playing this type of guitar style since a long time and always thought it's so bad. It's not jazz, it's not pop, it's nothing in between. I don't know how to call this till I just dropped over this. So, oh, this is a genre. So that's why I really enjoy the Neo Soul Guitar Series. Here, I hope you also enjoy it. It's a way of playing emotionally cool, with coolness, a little bit bluesy, a little bit jazzy, and just let your guitar ring a little bit. And often I found out it's color orange. If you want to download this cool backing track I produced for you guys, plus if it was all too fast for you, want to have these tabs of what I was just talking about, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there. Please support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for you guys with a premium membership, or just by sharing the information that me and Dr. Pink are existing to the guitar world. That's all for today. See you guys.